Hey, what it do, Trap? And salute to all the trappers. A question for you today is what are your thoughts on exercising option contracts? I'm kind of torn between exercising one of my contracts or keeping the profits in my option portfolio and also taking out a small percentage from my two other portfolios, which is the dividends and my buy and hold. But the option in question is the AVGO 138 play. Thank you.
All right, so for me, first off, shout out my guy, Malik. Not that Malik. Plus, we know he not in jail. So when it comes to me exercising contracts, I think I've only did it like a couple times. The goal for me is never to really exercise, because when you exercise, you have to then buy those contracts, not with the money that you thought was profit. Right? So if the money that you thought was profit, that's not what you exercising with. You got to come out of your pocket and buy those, but you're buying them at the price that you agreed to, that they agreed to. So I'm never truly a fan of exercising the mic. The profit. I'm looking at the thing. Somebody said turn off the mic, turn on his mic. I'm never a fan of exercising. I'm like the 96% of people where I just want the money. So, but if you feel like that's what you want to do, then you can. But remember that money that you see profit, that ain't the money you exercising with. You got to go come out of pocket to exercise that. So, shout out to Malik, man. Good question, brother. Let's go, man. Next up.
Man, what's good, Trap? It's just Jaron down here in Annapolis, Maryland. Man, Jose, thank you for taking my question. Also, Trap, man, I appreciate everything. Man, everything you taught me, all the game you put out to the communities every day. I appreciate that. But my question for the day is, I just want to know, I've been toying with this for a minute. So I really want to know, so this is a buy and hold question. So in the buy and hold, if you're up and you in profit, and it's a long-term hold, what is your thoughts on averaging in? Because you kind of don't want to eat away your profits. So what's your thoughts and what's your approach when it comes to adding and still buying in a position that you're holding for a long term? Thank you, Trap.
I'm always recalibrating the price at which I got something in, because the value always changes. That's why it's always important to understand the value of the businesses that you're buying. So, like, for instance, I bought CrowdStrike at $57, but I wound up buying it again when it was like $180 or something like that. And the reason why is because the value on it changed, and then the market gave me a sale on it, right? So what you want to keep doing is, like, at least once a year, you want to be reevaluating the companies that you buy, because you want to understand if this company goes on sale, what is a great price for me to buy this company at? But also you want to understand what's your load to boat price. That's why that's something I always put in the Patreon. I put in there, this is my load to boat price. And the reason why I put the load to boat price in is because if the stock gets to this price, I'm going all the way in, right? So it's okay that you may up your cost basis if you still buying it at a discount, right? Think about it, inflation, right? Something that was 25 cents when we was kids now costs maybe 99 cents now, you know what I'm saying? But if you get it on sale for 75 cents, it's a sale. So if you are reevaluating the company at least once a year so you can understand where that value is, when that company goes on sale, you buy it again for sure. Great question, King.
Yo. What's up, Trap, man? Appreciate y'all for taking my question. So it was in reference to something that you mentioned a few episodes ago about paying off your prayer with that $1 million plea. I was just wondering if you still was planning on doing that, man. Shout out to you again on that, bro, man. Congratulations, man. I hope your trip was well worth it. Thank you again for taking my question, man. Shout out to all the travelers. Salute.
Hey, you better stop. That foreman gonna get your ass. I know you.
I claim his audio too.
Nah. So I wound up. I didn't pay. I didn't cash out. I'm still sitting in it. It's probably at about 700 and some thousand right now. I got it up to 1.2. You know what I'm saying? I got it up to 1.2. You hear me? I should have took a little on the table, but I was in my mind. I said, I just want to get through July, and then I'll scale back on it. So I didn't. It's probably at like 700 and something right now. My goal, no matter where it's at, by the end of the month, I'm gonna scale back on it regardless. But I didn't. But it felt good knowing that I hit it. You know what I'm saying? I hit 1.2 in that joker. You gotta think about it. I put 400,000 in that play, and it turned to 1.2. You know what I'm saying? And that's profit. The play was worth 1.6. If that makes sense. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. So So I told myself, whatever is at by the end of July, I'm going to cash out on it, regardless. You know what I'm saying? But I definitely wanted to get at least back to 1.1, 1.2, and I'll split it down, you feel me? So, yeah. That's a good feeling, too, bro. That's a good feeling, man. So, let's go, man. Another question.
On episode 101, you was talking about how you want to take different people from the Patreon and like put them on game about real estate, laundromats, etc. And I'm kind of young, but I didn't know like if it was an age limit or if you was even serious. I know you probably catered to like the older people, but I was just wondering like the younger people with the six figures, could they kind of like just get in the room and pick up on the game and the knowledge and all that other good stuff, bro? I appreciate the answers.
He said, bro, I know the episode was on.
Family got straight to it, though. Family got straight to it. He was like, what up, Trap? He was like, yeah, episode 101, dog. You know, you was talking about, them laundromats and that. I need that. Straight up. I need me, Trap. Nah, straight. That's a first there. My dog ain't say, what up, Trap? I appreciate you. He was like, nah, Trap, look, I got the six figures. You feel me? I done hit the six figures. You know, the laundromat, yep. The real estate, yep. Age bracket, what we doing? You probably was joking, but I'm serious. If you was joking, I'll let you know I ain't playing. I got the six, and I'm driving. I'm coming to you. Put me on. I need it. Nah, for sure. Nope, there's no age limit, man. There's definitely no age limit on it because I don't think there's an age limit to wealth.